It's lunchtime and you drove home for lunch. You get in your car to head back to work but your car won't start. What should you check before calling an Uber? Check the battery connections for corrosion. If the terminals are corroded, that could be preventing electricity from flowing from the battery to the starter. Check the battery to see if there is fluid still in the battery and up to the required levels. If the battery is a recent purchase or maintenance free, then there's no need to check the fluid levels. If your car is a key ignition and not a push-button start type, think about how many items you have on your keyring. If you have many items on your keyring, that will cause damage to the ignition switch over time. That means you will have to replace the ignition switch. It is recommended to have no more than 4 items such as keys on the keyring. Before we move forward, please consider subscribing and click the bell so you get notified of the next video. Next, check the Bendix and starter assembly. What is the Bendix and starter assembly? The starter motor starts the engine. The Bendix connects the starter to the engine only during startup. The Bendix syncs the starter to the engine. Once synchronization has been completed, the Bendix will send 12 volts to the starter so the starter can rotate the engine. Finally, we need to discuss the safety circuits, but that's in the next video.